Today we are going to elaborate our next exercise 7a from book D1. Question number 1 is that state a rule and write down the next two terms. So for this one we have a part. Now we are doing part G. That will be sequence will be minus 52, minus 59, minus 66, minus 73, minus 80. As well as for the part next we should need to generate next two terms. So now check that for the question we just need to write the rule as well as next two terms. For this one we just need to clear the basic logic of sequence which thing that will be common. So we are just writing there are four things that will be common, either that will be positive, negative, multiplication or division. That will be the common parts. So for from if we are check that is the first term and that will be the second term. So check that how many difference between 52 and 59, that will be the 7 difference. So number 7 either will be a positive or negative, that will be dependent on the sequence. Check that our first term will be minus 52 and the second term will be minus 59. That means the sequence will be decreased, not increasing. Increases in a positive way. However, the sign will be show that they are will be decreasing. Like if we are going to check the number line. So here is 0, here is 10, minus 10, sorry, as well as minus 20. So it means that that will be decreasing. So for this one, we just need to check that either it will be increase or decrease. So in this case, that will be decrease. So we just write the minus 7. Minus 7 will be the decreasing. And the next term, if we just subtract 7 from the next 59, so when we then we have to get minus 66. And when we again subtract minus 7, subtract 7 from 66, minus 66, then we will be get minus 73. After this one, we just need to check that if we subtract minus 7, subtract 7 from the minus 73, then the next term will be minus 80. Now for our next two terms, generation of next two terms, we just need to subtract minus we just need to subtract 7 from minus 80. So again check that minus 80 minus of 7. So 707 and 8 as it is, as well as minus as it is. It means that that will be the minus 87. Now check that in each case the answer will be in the negative sign. So again that will be also in negative. Now just subtract the 7 from, in this case we have to get minus 94. It means that the next two terms will be minus 87 and minus 94. So the rule is that we just need to write down the rule over there. Our rule will be rule said be that we just subtract number 7 from each term to get next term, next after that term. कि हम अगर एक में लास्ट वाली टर्म में वो minus 7 करते जाएंगे subtract, so it means we get next terms as like these are our. So we just need to write that our next two terms are कौन सी होंगी हमारी next two terms? That will be the minus 87 and minus of 94. These are our next two terms. If you feel is there any query, so you people should need to just review this exercise, review the video, as well as hope so your all of logic and concepts and methodology will be clear in this video. I don't give you any kind of rata system के इसको ये कर लें नहीं, मैंने आपको just logic clear की है basically. तो logically हमारे पास clearness होनी चाहिए sequence की, तो हम फिर next इसको move करवा सकते हैं. So thank you so much for your feedback. I will be respond to the question number 1G part. So if you feel is there anything in this query, you people just need to write a comment below. I will be responding in a positive way. Thank you so much.